Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 pictures on your Instagram. And for this, first of all, we go to the App Store and we go to Instagram, and the first fix is checking if your Instagram is the newest version. Now let's see, one day ago this was the newest version, so I'm using the newest version. If you are not using the newest version, then please download it when the option is standing just right here. Alright, the second option is go to your settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then right here search for the Instagram app by scrolling down, and there it is. Click on this and then click here on offload app, offload. Then right here click on reinstall the app, and right now he's reinstalling the app. And now we have to wait, and when we reinstall this app we need to open it again. Alright, the Instagram app is back, and right now if we click here on Instagram and we open this app and we click on the plus icon and we click here on the multiple selection option and we select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and if you can see, this option is working right now. So these are the two things that you need to check. And please let me know if I helped you out. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.